So this is what the car looks like at the moment. And whatever is needed here will come from the panel that's basically lying there. That's what the inside looks like. So as you can see, this will obviously all line up once they are done. I think the dent was just round about here, so they pumped that out as much as possible. So here they removed all the spot welds. Okay, so that's the part we had to go buy quickly. So this is currently what the R32 looks like. The panel that's gonna go back on the car because it matches everything that's going on there. Progress, progress, progress. And that looks so much better. Obviously, there's still a lot of weld work that needs to be done, but that's basically the update on the car, so you guys know as much as I know. Don't think I'm gonna get the car back anytime soon, but yeah, we wanted to do this properly, and that's part of why this is taking so long. So I'll catch you guys whenever I catch you guys.
You just gotta be fearless.